Hi kids! Welcome to our grade 5 mathematics class. I am your teacher, Teacher Zaida. Our topic for today is divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Okay, let's start our lesson with a review. So divide the following. Number 1, 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2. Number 2, 64 divided by 2. 64 divided by 2. And for number 3, 80 divided by 10. 80 divided by 10. You can pause this video lesson until you're done with numbers 1 to 3. Okay, you may start. Are you done? Okay, what did you get? Okay, so again, 48 divided by 2, 64 divided by 2, and 80 divided by 10. So answer for number 1 is, okay, good job. That's 24. For number 2, okay, very good. Answer is 32. How about for number 3? Answer is, okay, very good. Answer is 8. Okay, good job. Okay, do you see any remainder in your answers? Okay, very good. There is none. So let's read. When there is no remainder in the quotient, we say that the dividend is divisible by the divisor. Again, when there is no remainder in the quotient, we say that the dividend is divisible by the divisor. Did you get that? Okay. So for reference, if this is our division sentence, 48 is our dividend, 2 is our divisor, and the answer 24 is called the quotient. So again, we have the dividend, or the number that is being divided, the divisor, the number into which the dividend is to be divided, and the quotient, or the answer in division. Okay, thus we can say that 48 is divisible by 2, 64 is also divisible by 2, and 80 is divisible by 10. Performing division is a usual way to determine if a number is divisible by another. Again, performing division is a usual way to determine if a number is divisible by another. But there are established divisibility rules that can help us determine whether a number can be exactly divided by another number. Again, but there are established divisibility rules that can help us determine whether a number can be exactly divided by another number. By definition, we say that if the quotient has no remainder, we can say that the dividend is divisible by the divisor. Again, by definition, we say that if the quotient has no remainder, we can say that the dividend is divisible by the divisor. So again, from what we did earlier, since 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24 and there is no remainder, then 48 is divisible by 2. Did you get that? Okay, so again, since 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24 and there is no remainder, then 48 is divisible by 2. Also, a number is a factor of another number if it divides that number without leaving a remainder. Again, a number is a factor of another number if it divides that number without leaving a remainder. So since 2 divides 48 without leaving any remainder, we can say that 2 is a factor of 48. So meaning 2 times 24 is equal to 48 and the factors of 48 are 2 and 24. So since 2 divides 48 without any remainder, then 2 is a factor of 48. Okay, let's read. Regine wants to buy a pack of candies for her 2 sisters. She is deciding between a pack with 25 candies inside and a pack with 30 candies. Which must she buy so that her sisters could divide the candies equally? Did you get the question? Okay. Okay, to solve, let's divide 25 by 2 and 30 by 2. Okay, let's start with 25 divided by 2. Okay, so we start with 2 divided by 2, and that is 1. 1 times 2, that's 2. And then we subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then we bring down 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2. And then we multiply 2 and 2. And that will give us 4. And then we subtract again. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So that's remainder 1. Okay? Okay, let's divide 30 by 2. Okay, so 30 divided by 2, we start from 3 divided by 2, and that's equal to 1. And then we multiply 1 and 2, so 1 times 2 is equal to, okay, very good, that's 2. And then we subtract. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, and then we bring down 0. So 10 divided by 2, that's equal to, okay, very good, that's 5. And then we multiply 5 and 2, so 5 times 2 is equal to, okay, very good, that's 10. And then we subtract again. 10 minus 10 is equal to, okay, good job, that's 0. Do we have any remainder? Okay, very good. There is no remainder when we divide 30 by 2. Okay, good job. Okay, so meaning Regine should buy the pack with 30 candies because it can be divided equally for her 2 sisters. Thus, 30 is divisible by 2 because the quotient has no remainder. Did you get that? Okay, good job. Okay, let's discuss the divisibility rule for 2. Okay, let's read. A number is divisible by 2 if it is even, or if the last digit ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Again, you just look at the last digit or the ones digit to determine if it is divisible by 2. Okay? Let's examine. Let's play the game red light or green light. Write red light on your show me board if the number is not divisible by 2, and green light if it is divisible by 2. Okay, are you ready? First number we have 22. Is it divisible by 2? Write red light or green light. Go. Okay, show me boards up. Answer is? Okay, good job. That's green light. Why? Okay, very good. It ends with 2. Good job. Next. How about 40? Red light or green light? Go. Okay, show me boards up. Answer is? Okay, good job. That's green light. Why? Okay, it is an even number or it ends with 0. Next. How about 47? 47. Red light or green light? Answer? Okay, good job. That's red light. Why? Because it does not end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, very good. Next. 54. 54. Is it red light or green light? Answer? Okay, good job. That's green light because it ends with, okay, very good. It ends with 4. Last number, how about 61? 61. Is it red light or green light? Answer? Okay, good job. That's red light. Why? Okay, very good. It does not end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, let's group the class into 4. Okay, so here's what your group's going to do. You put a happy face on the blank after the number if it is divisible by 2 and a sad face if it is not. Okay? Okay, let's see your group's answers. For number 1, okay, that's a happy face. Number 2, okay, good job. That's a sad face. Number 3, okay, very good. That's a happy face. And number 4, okay, another happy face. And for number 5, okay, very good. That's a sad face. Did your group got 5 over 5? Okay, very good. Okay, bring out your notebooks and let's answer the following. Direction. Put a check mark on the blank if the number is divisible by 2 and an X mark if it is not. Okay, again, put a check mark on the blank if the number is divisible by 2 and an X mark if it is not. Okay, number 1, 158. Number 2, 279. Number 3, 384. Number 4, 467. And number 5, 672. Okay, are you done? Okay, let's check. Okay, for number 1, answer is... Okay, good job. Check. Number 2. Okay, very good. That's a cross mark. Number 3. Okay, that's a check. Number 4. Okay, that's cross. And number 5. Okay, very good. That's check.